All right, let's tackle a huge problem in industrial power, switching capacitor banks. It's a surprisingly common and costly nightmare when this equipment fails.
Yeah, this happens way more than it should, leading to major downtime and damage.
So in this explainer, we're going to show you why and exactly how to stop it. The root of the problem, a massive electrical surge. Think less gentle push and more sledgehammer. And check this out. The difference is huge, not just in size, but in frequency too. For a few milliseconds, that capacitor acts like a dead short. That's where the damage comes from. Your standard motor contactors just aren't built for this. Seriously, they can fail after just 500 uses. So, what's the solution? You've got to use gear made for this job, the AC6B rating. Okay, let's compare them side by side. Notice the tougher material and wider gap for the AC6B. But what if the Inrush is just too much, even for an AC6B contactor? Well, here's the clever fix. It's called a pre-insertion resistor circuit. And the payoff is huge. We're talking a 60 to 70% drop in contact wear. But things get even worse when you have multiple capacitor banks on the same line. Switching on just that first bank gives you an inrush of about 40 times the normal current. But if another bank is already live, it's like a loaded spring, ready to unload. That inrush can spike to a staggering 200 times normal, instantly frying standard equipment, no joke. So how do you handle that? You'll need a bigger strategy, like time delays or special reactors. Okay, let's talk protection. You have to ignore the inrush but still catch a real fault. You've basically got two choices. Fuses are simple, but relays give you way more precise control. A simple 1-second delay is often the key. It lets you ride through that surge without tripping. All right, let's wrap this up. Here's your checklist for getting this right every single time. This quote really nails it. When you use the right stuff, this problem just goes away. So you have to ask, is your system built for that sledgehammer hit or just a gentle push?